back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere because today another unboxing guys, and you hear me right. So today I will unbox our latest Townew Smarttrashcan guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. So ito siya guys, trash bin brought to you by none other than Jax guys. So he bought a trash bin guys, and we will find out what inside of this box guys. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so let's get started. So this is the box guys. Ayan yung box. Ayan. Ayan yung Townew Smart Trash Bin. Trash can guys. So here. Well, this is origin from China guys. So it's another high technology trash can guys. So when you open guys, ayan, buksan natin. So when you see inside, you can see here. Ayan. You can see the manuals. You can see the manuals. The tie, the cable at the back of the bin guys. Ayan yung cable niya, pwedeng i-ano sa adapter. And then documentation, the manuals guys of the Townew. Here you see here guys. So it's the language is a Cheche Chinese guys. Ayan. So ayan, pwede siyang it's a smart trash bin guys. This is our second trash bin. So this is a latest one. So we have the other one in our room. So ayan yung manuals. I will set aside here guys on the side first. And then when you open the box, you can see this like egg tray. Watch your egg tray guys. Here. So this is the trash gun, smart trash and Townew. So I will get that one guys. Put this one here. So here when you open, okay, let me see. So there's none here guys. I will set aside first. I will look what inside the box. So nothing there guys already. I will put this egg tray again. Egg tray. So I will set aside the box from here. You can still see. And then here guys, this is the smart trash bin, trash can guys of Townew. So I'll take it out of the plastic. So you can see here guys, here guys. So this is on and off. So this is the output for the cable, the one you saw earlier. So here you can see there's a stability here. So hindi siya mahuhulog anytime kasi may pagka-bit sturdy siya. So they have a sturdy here. So you can see here, it's not big, it's not small, it's okay. The size is okay guys. So when you open this, you can see here. So when you can hear. So once you open it, you can see there's a free garbage bag inside when you take it out this one. So when you take it out this one guys, so this one, the rectangle, the square one, here you can see this is the filter for the garbage, plastic garbage guys. So yung garbage, yung plastic garbage niya nandito sa gilid nito guys. Ayan, here. Ayan, nandito siya sa loob. Nasa gilid siya. Ayan. So, every time you will refill the garbage bag, this is included already. If you purchase online, you get a new one. So, ito yung loob ng garbage Townew Smart Bin. Ayan. Meron siyang fan. So, this square thing is a fan from outside. So, ayan siya guys. Babalik natin. So, ayan yung garbage bag niya sa loob. Naka-secure siya. So, hindi siya maano. So, this is the sensor guys. So, every time it has a sensor also. And ito ang pindutan every time you finish or if the garbage bin is full already, you need to press this one or click this one and then it will seal it. It will seal it properly. Kusa na siya magsisil, tataas siya. Ayan, you can see here. I'll show you again guys. So here, once you click this circle button, this one will be open and then it will seal here. So this one, it will seal guys. It will seal. So ito yan. Tapos may sensor kasi siya dyan. So ano siya, high-tech siya guys. Ayan yung loob ng bin. Hindi siya malaki, hindi siya maliit. And now we will demonstrate you kung paano siya ayun lang guys, yun yung loob ng trash can ng Townew Smart Trashcan. Yan guys, Smart Trashcan bin. So we need an adapter here. Okay, so we need an adapter here like this guys because it's only a USB connector. So we just put this like this. Ayan. So don't forget to turn on and turn off guys. There's a blue light there. Wave. And then it's automatic to be closed. And wave again. Okay guys, so ito yung dati naming, yung luma namin, yung first na Townew Smart Trashcan namin guys. Ayan. So ngayon, nakasaksak siya doon guys. So ito kasi yung nasira na siya, yung pag-sensor niya nasira na. So ngayon, i-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung paano tanggalin yung garbage bag dun sa loob ng Townew Smart Trashcan o trash bin guys. Ayan siya. Ito yung luma namin guys. Ayan. Ito yung luma namin guys. Kita nyo. Ayan. Sturdy siya. May ano siya sa likod. Ngayon, i-demonstrate ko guys. Ayan. Wala na kasi siyang sensor. Ito yung una naming Townew na smart bin. Ayan. May basura na siya guys. So, nakasaksak na siya. You need to turn on the one at the back, and then, and after you turn on guys, you need to check at the back and you need to turn on the switch button, and then you need to press this. You need to press that. Ayan. Ganito yung amin. Kaso ito, old na siya. Ayan, kita niyo guys. Ayan. lalabas na yan ng another new trash bag. Tapos, na-seal niya na, guys. Ayan, you can see. It's sealed, guys. Ayan. This one is very sealed. Ayan. So, once you hear the noise, the three toot, 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 lalabas na siya ng another trash bag. So, ayan, guys. Check natin ha, kasi sila yung sensor. Ayan, guys. You can see there's a blue light inside. So, ito na yung new trash bag, guys. Ayan, diba? Bagong-bago. So, ayan. Medyo dirty na siya ngayon, guys. Ayan, dirty na siya. Kasi nga, old na to, guys. Ito yung una naming Townew Smarttrashcan. So, yung isa, guys, dadali namin yun sa Australia. Ayun. Ilalagay namin siya sa balikbayan box. Kasi, kapag nilagay namin siya sa luggage, ay ano siya, maano yung mga space dun sa luggage, guys. Sayang din yung mailalagay namin. So, ayan na, guys. How to remove the plastic garbage bag inside of the Townew Smarttrashcan, guys. So, ito yung bag niya. Ganito kalaki lang yung bag niya, guys. Same ng size ng trash can, guys. Ayan. So, that's it, guys. That's our Townew Smarttrashcan. Ayan, bin. Very techy, very high-tech, guys. As you see earlier when I demonstrate our another Smarttrashcan, the Townew earlier, guys. So, you see earlier, I used the old Townew Trashcan bin or Trashcan, guys. So, yun yung isa naming Trashcan. So, itong bago, yung nakita nyo in-unbox ko, ito yung bago na dadali namin sa Australia. Ilalagay namin sa balikbayan box. And the other one you see earlier, ilalagay lang namin siya dito sa townhouse, guys. Kasi, dito na lang yan sa bahay ng brother ko. So, I hope you enjoy watching. Very techy siya, guys. Very handy. Hindi siya mabigat, hindi siya malaki. Sakto lang talaga yung laki niya. At very sensor talaga. Nakita niyo kung paano umano yung sensor. Very techy, very high-tech. Plus, yung pag-seal ng yung trash can, very smart. Mainit ba siya? Talaga, makikita niyo talaga. Talaga mainit siya. Maamoy talagang usok, guys. Pero hindi naman talaga siya usok. So, I will put their link, their socials in my description box down below. And you can check them out, guys. Thank you very much for watching for today's video. I hope you had fun and you learned something today. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe and mwah. Ciao.